Intelligent manufacturing covers a range of enabling technologies, including robotics, sensor analytics, big data analytics, Internet of Things, cloud computing, and so we bring up all these different technologies together to enhance the productivity, reliability, and also flexibility of the manufacturing system, and also enhance the quality of the manufactured products.
Intelligent manufacturing in many ways is sustainable distributed manufacturing. So what we try to do is reduce demand on supply chain and produce products when and where we need it.
There are going to be so many things that we are not able to do right now with the existing traditional technologies that we will be able to do with these intelligent manufacturing techniques. Innovations in spacecraft technology, innovations in vehicle technology, innovations in biomedical implants.
Technologies that we produce are going to allow us to expand to new horizons.